Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Jabra Evolve 75E with Android smartphone. And to do this, first let's open a Bluetooth settings on my phone right here. Then we want to scroll down for available devices. Now we can enter a pairing mode on a Jabra headset. So make sure that your headset is powered off, and you can identify this by clicking on this wheel button. So if you click on it and nothing happens, that means it's powered on, so we need to click and hold it to power them off. You can see that the red light just flashed, and that means they are powered off, and we can begin pairing. So click and hold the same button again for 3 seconds until you see the blue LED lamp right here. Then we can refresh available devices. And in this case, I had them already connected, so let's unpair them real quick, and then we can actually see them right here to pair it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.